First of all, we need to put the motherboard first, and then the processor. But in my case, I already inserted the CPU on its socket, as well as the heat extractor fan. Be careful in placing the motherboard, so we can screw it after it placed perfectly. Now, all we need to do is to screw it up. When it's done, we will connect the cable wire of the power button to the motherboard. This will prevent confusion when the other components of cable wires is going to be inserted. The next one is RAM. When we insert this on its socket, we need to push a little bit its clip and put the RAM accurately until we heard the click. That's the indication that the RAM is already inserted. Now the hard disk drive. When we find a slot to hold it, we need to screw the HDD on its holder, preventing it to fall off. After that, we will insert the cable wire to its port. The next one is the graphics card. In my computer, this is the hardest thing to place down since it needs to be accurately inserted in its holder. And after that, we will now screw it to the holder. The last one is the power supply. We need to screw the heat extractor fan first. And this time, we need to be careful on plugging in its cable wires on its socket. Remember that we need to insert the 24-pin cable, SATA cable, and the 4-pin CPU connector. After inserting all the cable wires, let's now try if it will turn on. And yeah, you can see that it worked, but let's try on displaying it to the monitor. And there it is. We assembled a personal computer, and overall, it completely worked.